All right, hi everybody, my name is Matthew Pose with Audioholics. This is going to be a quick take review of the Polk Audio L800. So I'm doing a longer review where I go into more depth and I'm wordy and my typical self. I tried to keep it short, but I didn't, but I give you a lot of information on the speaker. This is my quick take. Quick take is this. I like the speaker a lot. If I could own them, I would. I think that they are not a perfect speaker. I call them idiosyncratic in the other review. They have some problems, but I think that they sound so good in every other way other than these minor problems that they are worth owning. The sound staging and imaging is the best I have ever heard. And I am a big sound staging and imaging guy. There are other speakers I have, including my own Gedley Abbeys, which I think provide a little bit more specificity. The imaging is more laser-like, as I like to call it, but I don't know that that's necessarily realistic. It's just a quality that it's able to do that I like. I think this provides a more realistic soundstage, and it makes it so that when you're listening with acoustic recordings like classical recordings, jazz recordings, things like that, you get a much more realistic presentation. With a lot of like acid rock or a lot of those classic 70s rock recordings that really played around with imaging, I was finding stuff that was just spooky good. Rolling Stones, Pink Floyd, the Beatles, it was some of the best imaging I've ever heard. That's this speaker's selling point, honestly. Now you may say, but is that all it does? Well, the tonal balance is fine. It measures really well. I'm going to throw that up really quick so you can see. The speaker has a flat frequency response on axis. It's actually decent off axis as well. The tweeter beams a bit, but it's not a problem. And so from the standpoint of tonal balance, it's a good speaker too. So really, you've got a really good three-way speaker that happens to also have this cool SDA Pro technology that makes for the best imaging. The bass on it, two 10-inch drivers in each one, that's four 10-inch drivers in total. It's killer. I mean, the bass is excellent on this. Tuneful, it's accurate, and it's got quite a bit of output. Not the most sensitive speaker, so it needs a lot of power, and it's a difficult load. Not an awful one, but enough so that I would just say it'll work with the receiver, but if I were you, I would use an external amplifier that has at least 200 watts. I was giving it anywhere from 400 to 600, and I think that that was actually necessary when I was turning it up. That's it. I know it was quick and short, but that is my Polk Audio L800 review. So until next time, keep listening.